Okay, 25. A grain silo is built from two right circular cones and a right circular um, cylinder with internal measurements represented by the figure above. Of the volume, which is closest to the volume of the grain silo in cubic feet. Okay, so pretty much we're solving for the volume of this figure here. And we have a cylinder right there, and then we have a cone, right? Two cones, one on the top and one on the bottom. And the two cones seems like they're the same, right? So same radius, same height. So pretty much we can solve for the volume of one of the cone, and then we can just multiply by 2. Okay, and then add it with the volume of the cylinder. That should give us a total volume. So you can start with the cylinder. Okay, volume of the cylinder. Always begin with our formula. This formula is on the formula sheet if you need to refer back to it. Okay, volume of the cylinder should be pi r squared times the height. Okay, so pi r squared h. All right. So I think we do have all the information. You know, the radius is 5. You can see right there. That's the radius of the cone, and the same for the cylinder. So it'll be 5, and the r is squared. So it'll be 5 squared times the height, which is 10. All right. So then here we will just have to plug it into the calculator then. And then we do want to multiply out the pi as well. Okay, so it'll be pi times 5 squared, 25 times 10 is 250. So it's like 250 times pi. Okay, you can use the exact value for pi, or you can do approximation 3.14. They should give us a very close answer. So 785.4, that's what I got. Okay, about. All right, now let's solve for the volume of the cone. For a circular cone, the area or the volume formula is 1/3 pi r squared times the height. Okay, again, this formula is also on the formula sheet, so we can use it if needed. So it'll be 1/3 times pi times area. Radius 5 squared times the height is, the height of the cone is 5 right there. Okay, so multiply by 5 there. 1/3 pi times 5 squared, 25 times 5 is 125. And then we'll just type in the calculator. Okay, that times pi divided by 3. It's about 130.9. Okay. Now to find the total volume, right, keep in mind we have 2 cones, right? So this number I had to multiply by 2. Right. So let's do that. Times 2. Times 2, we get 261.8. And then add them together here. Okay. So 785.4 plus 261.8. The total is 1047.2. All right, and we do have that. Should be answer choice B for number 25.